The audio on this video is going to be kind of choppy, so I apologize for that. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing a little Python script I wrote to basically spam email accounts with tons of emails. So let me just show you. The program's called Gmail Spammer, even though it works with any email provider. I just called it Gmail Spammer. Originally, it actually only worked with Gmail, but then I updated it, and it works with everything now. So anyways, to do this, we're going to pull up a command prompt, and then let me just put my mic down for 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to go CD desktop, and then I put the script in a folder called programming projects, which you can see on my desktop right there. And then I put it in another folder, in a subfolder called Gmail Spammer. There we go. Then to do it, I'll just go Python and then gmailspammer.py. Hit enter, and there you go. It worked. Now it's up and running. So let me just resize the window a bit here, and this is what it looks like. So gmailspammer.py, made by the master coder. So wait, can I make this taller? Yeah, there you go. Alright, so first we do one. So the first thing is enter SMTP server address. So that's basically just the SMTP email server that we want to use. So for example, if you want to use, if I'm using a Gmail account, then Google's SMTP server address is smtp.gmail.com. And then for other ones, you might need to put like a port number and stuff for that. So, but not for Gmail. So I'll just put that. And one note, actually, if you are using a Gmail account, you have to go to myaccount.google.com/less-secure-apps. I'll put this link in the description, and you need to press allow less secure apps, because this app isn't like too secure for logging in, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, there you go. So once you've done that, you have to enable this, or it won't work if you're using a Gmail. So link to that. Done with that. So now we just enter our email, which is mastercoder@123@gmail.com. Then you enter your email password, and I changed my my email password to email spam, but I'm gonna change my password before I even upload this video. So don't try to log in into my thing. Enter the email you want to spam. I'll just spam my own inbox, so you can actually send emails to yourself. So I'll just send all the emails to myself. Then you enter what you want the subject of the email to be. I'll put Python spam, and then the text will be "it works." And then you just do the number of emails you want to send. You can send any amount. So for this, I will send 25. I'll show you. So you can see it says 1, 2 successfully sent. Let's resize this, and then let's put the browser in my inbox. And you can actually see they're starting to pop up. If I keep refreshing, oh look, there's even more. And yeah, it goes pretty fast. Open them. Sorry about the scratching in the background, but if you can hear it, I don't know if you can hear it, but anyways, you can see they're all there. There should be 25 at the end. 23. 24, 25, here we go. And then once it's done, it goes, if you can see it's kind of small, it says spam completed, then it says sent equals 25, failed equals 0. So it just tells you how many emails actually went through, and if any of them like failed or anything, it'll let you know. So all 25 of them went through, and then you can exit the program, or you can do another spam. So you do S to do another spam. And then it's basically just the same thing. It lets you retype it in case you just wanted to do something else. And there you go. It was an error because I was supposed to put a number there, and I didn't. I put nothing. But anyways, that's pretty much the gist of it. And you can download the script on my website if you want. I will put a link to my website and the download in the description. And I'll also put a link to this if you need it. And that's pretty much all. Goodbye.